pupunta doon para morning. But I decided na ngayon na lang kami pupunta doon. No? Yun, see you there. So ito po yung stinayan namin na resort sa Oslob, ang Stay and Save B&B Resort. Ayan, may signage sila guys. So makikita nyo agad guys, no? Dahil along the road siya, no? Ayan, so itutour ko kayo sa resort at sa room na stinayan po namin. Economy room ang stinayan po namin. Only 678 pesos. The resort is Stay and Save B&B ang resort. Located in Oslob, Cebu. Ayan siya guys. Ito lang. Wait siya. So ito lang siya. Ayan. Dito aming ito siya guys, no? Ayan. Then this is the bathroom. There. Then the exit going to the beach. So ito guys. Ito kami doon sa unahan guys. Ito yung resort nila. Peaceful naman ang resort nila. Ay, wala di samok guys. Ayan. Yung
Bluetooth speaker.
Oh, pwede ra. Miyawi. May tubig ito be. Palihog. Ha? So, ito. Yan, tent 2. May pumili ng tent, no? I think mga barkada. Ang nandyan, magbabarkada. Ganda naman dito guys, no? Affordable talaga yung room rates nila. Kaso lang talaga, wala silang restaurant, no? So, kung gusto mong kumain, you need to go outside pa, no? Pero meron namang mga karinderya outside. Tapos, wala silang yung staff nila, wala silang staff na matagal gumising yung staff nila. So, walang hot water. Maganda kasi pag may ready na 'di ba? Hot water or mga Milo, ano pa diyan, na pang breakfast, wala eh. So kung gusto mong uminom ng mainit, gusto mong magkape, hindi ka makakapag-almusal agad dahil wala silang hot water. You need to wait pa na may gumising na staff para makapag-almusal ka. So, yun lang. So, yun guys. No? Maganda dito guys. Ayan, ang chubby-chubby guys, no? Chubby-chubby na restaurant.
Oh, here we go. Oh, me.
Ano nakita ninyo guys, gagamay kay nga isla is Sumilan Island. $600 daw ang per head ngayon kung gusto mong pumunta dyan, mag-island hopping. 600 pesos daw. And then yun na lahat, no? Ang fare going there and kabalik naman dito sa mainland is 600. So ayan, high tide na siya. Yes, alright. We're here in Stay Safe Resort here in Oslob, Cebu. Ayan, nag-enjoy kami dito guys, no? Maganda ang kanilang resort dahil tahimik. And then, ayun, nature and adventure. Going downstairs, ang sasabi mo na adventure dahil malayo ang beach guys. So you need to go Yes, it's okay. Need to go downstairs. I think pila ka steps labs going to the beach.
I don't know.
We need to ask pa if how many steps going down to the beach because it's very far from here. That's why I like it here. Wala lang nilang restaurant, but it's alright. The room rates are reasonable.
Istorya dalam.
Ha?
Mana?
Okay. Swing-swing lang muna tayo ngayon. Na-miss na ako mag-swing-swing, guys, no? Wala akong favorite na kuan pagka bata. Here in Oslo. Swing today, chill today. Muna ito ang weekend getaway. Kata diri sa Oslo. Indot diri guys, no? Kung ganahan ka mag-beach and then adventure. Paingon sa tag-adventure, no? Kay layo man ang beach, no? Naog pa ka. Pila ka step, mga 100 steps siguro going down to the beach. Hanga kayo, no, kung padong nakabalik din padong saka, padong naog di ka hanga kon, pero padong saka hanga kay standard na mamig breakfast. So ayan, chill lang, lingkod, relax. If you want to relax, you want to go to the beach, ari mo diri sa Oslo. Kaya kayo diri guys, no? Nature, adventure, plus the beach. Kaya sa luyo na ko guys, chubi-chubi. This is exactly what I need and where I want to go. You know, because I like the beach and it's very peaceful here. Less adventure gamay, kay layo ang beach. Munaog pa ka, mga 100 steps siguro going down to the beach. Ayan, wala akong ganahan. Nature, tranquil, and clear water. Here in Oslo, we're staying here in Stay and Save Resort. Ito yung mga tree house. Affordable lang ang rates nila guys.